Hi guys. So I wanted to go over your assignment today for ELA. The first one I'm going to go over is your reading skills. This is a Google slide that you can find on your assignment below. So this is talking about understanding illustrations, so understanding pictures. So whenever you are reading and there's a picture, usually the picture should go along with the story that you are reading. So it can help give you clues. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to look at the details of the picture and imagine what the story may be using the clues in the picture. Your answers need to make sense with the picture, okay? So here you are going to answer in complete sentences the questions that are below. So you're just going to type here, click that. You can kind of highlight those words and then start typing. So the first question is, who are the characters and what do you know about them? So you're going to look at the characters and you are going to try and think. Obviously, there is no right answer, but it has to go along with the story. So look at the characters. What do you know about them? What do you think you know about them? Okay. What is the setting? Remember yesterday we talked about setting. Setting is the place, the time, okay, and the environment. So think about, where are they located? Think about, is this like a picture that you would see today? Or is this a picture that may have been drawn a long time ago? What can you infer about the plot? Well, first of all, plot is kind of like what's going on in the story. It's the events that are in the story. So, and then remember, infer means kind of reading between the lines. What do you already know in your head, your background knowledge, and what do you see going on in the picture? So what do you think is going on in this story? Basically, that's what you're going to do here. And then the last part for this one is, what is the mood of this story? So think about mood. You can be in a good mood, a bad mood. You could be grumpy, right? So what is the mood of this story? What do you think? Look at their faces, okay? Think about what their mood is. So the next picture is the same thing. You're going to take a look at the picture and you're going to answer those questions in complete sentences. So who are the characters? What do you know about them? What is the setting? What can you infer about the plot? Remember, reading between the lines. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. Reading between the lines. What do you think is going on in the story? And what is the mood? Look at their faces. Look at what's happening. This one, same thing. What do you think is going on? Okay. So, compare and contrast story versions. Different cultures often have similar versions of the same story. Readers can compare and contrast different versions. So, the directions are, move the pieces under the correct category. So, compare and contrast. So, what does it mean to compare? If you're comparing things, it means that it is the same. And if you're contrasting something, it's the differences, okay? So comparing and contrasting similar stories help readers learn life lessons. One of the stories that you often see rewritten in different cultures is Cinderella. So here you are going to listen to the stories and you're going to fill out the graphic organizer to compare and contrast the story elements. So the first one is just Cinderella. Then the next one is the Egyptian Cinderella. So you're just going to play these little videos and you're going to listen to them read the stories. And you're going to write in this column, this is a Venn diagram and we've done it in class before, but let me just quickly go over what you're going to do. This column is just what's different about this Cinderella. This column is what's different about the Egyptian Cinderella. So how is this different than this story? And then what they have the same or what is similar, you're going to type in here. Okay, so that is the first assignment that you are going to do. The second assignment is the dictionary skills that we've been working on. So here you are going to read the words on the dictionary page. Which of the words could go in the blank space? So again, remember that in a dictionary, the words are in alphabetical order. So you have to think about which word would go right here. And you're just going to drag it. So you have to think about what would come next in the dictionary, on the dictionary page, thinking about alphabetical order. First of all, let me just tell you, it is TH, things, right? That's the first word. So would TA make sense? Well, doesn't A come A comes before the H, right? So table wouldn't work. Tell wouldn't work. So the only one that would work would be to. So I would click and drag to go there. This is going to be the same thing where you're going to have to figure out what's going to go in this blank. Same thing. What goes in this blank? Same, 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 and same. So that is your dictionary skill for today. I hope this makes sense, and I hope you guys are enjoying these. They're just a little bit different than what we've been doing, so you guys don't get bored. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will have another video tomorrow. Bye. Love you all.